y'all can see this snow. But today is, I think, let's see, today is Friday, April 17th, okay? April. Now, it snowed the day before yesterday. And it, snowed a lot, but not enough to where it stayed and stuck. Wake up this morning, it's 10:21. And it's snowing like crazy out right now. You can see it's on the trees. It's not sticking to the ground as of yet, which is good. But it will be with the rate it's going. I cannot believe this is freaking April. It's already crazy with the coronavirus going on. And then you get crazy weather along with that. It's just so strange. So strange. It's supposed to be April showers and May flowers. Not April snowstorm. You know? Can y'all see this? Probably when I get to try to show it a little better. I don't know what it's doing because I'm trying to concentrate. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm getting to a stoplight, so I want to see if this snow is going to show a little better. I don't have my phone in this thing right because I was driving while trying to stick it in here so y'all could see. So I feel like it's going to fall. Ooh, I knew it. Alright, so hey y'all, good morning. Good snowy morning, shall I say. Y'all let me know in the comments of where you live at. Is snowing or is it nice weather? I want to know. This is crazy. Here, I'm in Michigan and it's snowing. Well, I had got up this morning, called myself going to go get breakfast for everyone, and I got completely dressed, put my shoe on and my bandage, wrapped my foot, got my crutches sitting here next to me, get downstairs, open the door, and voila, it's snowing. I'm like, should I or shouldn't I? Steve was off today, but he likes to sleep in on his morning off. My foot is really hurting today, so it's just no way I could stand and cook for everyone, and we need to go grocery shopping for cereal and stuff like that. So it really wasn't nothing for breakfast there to eat, so I said I'll just go grab something quick. And that's the only reason I came out. Luckily I didn't have to get out of the car, I could go through the drive-thru. And then I also got some coffee, which I really need to get coffee to keep at home. So we won't have to keep going out buying coffee, because who knows how long this is going to last anyway, stuff being open. I got a feeling that all of that's going to close soon. In some states, you can only leave one time a day for, essential items, groceries, and, things like that, only once a day. So I got a feeling that soon it's going to be cut down to that everywhere. A lot more stuff to be closed, because a lot of stuff is open that's not supposed to be, too. Potholes. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at this road. This is one of the worst freaking roads. Cherry Hill has the most potholes. Oh my god. So, yeah, I got up to do that. So I'm gonna go home, give them their food. I need to go elevate my foot. I don't know why it's hurting me so bad today. I can't find a doctor to see. I called the nurse to figure out what I should do, because my foot's in more pain since I went to the urgent care, that I think I actually broke it, have a hairline fracture, break in it, and I messed the nerve up, I told her, and she was like, really the only thing you can do is go back to the hospital, go back to the urgent care. And then they sent me an email from the urgent care saying that they're only seeing urgent patients or emergency patients or something. So I don't know, I qualify for being emergency or not, but I guess it won't hurt to try and call and say, hey, you know, I was seen there. You know, is there any way I could come back to have another x-ray done on my foot, because something in it doesn't feel right, and I would think I would be feeling better by now, because it's been a couple of weeks, almost 2 full weeks, I think, or about 2 full weeks now. But a sprain can take 2 to 4 weeks, so really, I don't know what the hell is wrong with my foot. I know it hurts, and I'm tired of walking on these dang crutches. Wow, Walgreens has Ajax detergent for 99 cents. Y'all need some laundry detergent. Ajax, 99 cents at Walgreens. I just seen the sign. It's a good deal. We get to go grocery shopping, hopefully. I mean, I wanted to go today, but it looks like this weather is gonna prevent that. Don't nobody want to grocery shop in this weather, and I'm already on crutches. Having to walk through a parking lot on crutches to get into the store to find a little driving cart, it takes a lot out of me. So, I don't know. I may just, you know, if Steve want to go, I may just send him. But when he go grocery shopping, he's picking up too much stuff. So, I don't know about that. Figure it out. Hopefully it'll slow down later. Let me turn it around so y'all can see now. Alright, so you can see a little better what it's looking like. It's really pretty. I always love the way it looks on the trees, but I hate the snow. Hate it. Especially when it snows in freaking April. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I had, today I had woke up and I was looking at my YouTube channel at the last video I posted, saying I'm on crutches. I have no idea why, but it's all the way up to like almost 80 views. The first time I checked it, it was at 44. And when I first went to look, I was like, it's gonna have about 3-4 views, you know, because I haven't been posting on here a lot, and not a lot of people watch the channel again anymore since I haven't been posting that much. So I'm like, I probably have, you know, 3 views, 1, 2, something like that. So I looked at 44. I'm like, why is everybody watching this video? What's up with I'm on crutches? You know, I don't know what the heck, but hey, thanks. I can use them. Alright, y'all. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm about to pull up at home. And I'll talk to y'all later. I need to call someone to come help me.